Oh, wow. Hello and welcome back to my workshop. On today's episode, we are going to see if we can melt a Cadbury cream egg inside of hot resin. Cadbury cream eggs.
Ooh.
They are the staple of Easter, right?
They are, but I don't like them.
You don't like them?
No.
Oh my goodness.
You?
They're the best.
Oh, well, I know they're the best because these were very hard to find.
Well, luckily we found them because today we got a cool experiment to do, right?
We do.
Now, you guys might have seen this. 3 years ago, I made a chocolate table. Have a look at this. 30 pounds this weighs. I can't remember what that is in kilos. I remember it was pounds because everyone was asking me, what does it weigh in pounds?
Yep.
And that's how I weighed it. But as you can see, we have a bunch of chocolate in here, right? And the plan for today is to use Cadbury cream eggs inside a hot resin to see if we can get it to melt, see if we can get it to explode. You know, we want to see some action here.
Ooze everywhere.
Yeah, ooze everywhere.
Yep.
Now, the difference between this experiment and this table I made is that we used a slow curing resin, so it generates bugger all heat.
Yes. But
today we're going over the top. We're doing the full cup, extreme heat. We're hoping to see some action, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Now, I was thinking, when we put this inside the cup here, should we rip the top off just like this picture?
Oh, that's a really good idea. Yes.
Because I was looking in here, right? Now, if you guys didn't see this episode, we did a whole bunch of chocolates in here. Here's a Mars bar that we cracked in half. We also have over here a cherry ripe. What else do we have?
There's a Twix.
There's a Twix there that was done in half.
A twirl.
Or a Bounty.
Oh, yeah.
So all the ones that were, actually a good one over here, a Caramello Koala.
Yes.
So that's full of caramel. And as you can see, it didn't really ooze out, right?
No, it didn't.
But that's what we want today.
Yep.
So the plan is hopefully super hot resin. We've already poured ourselves a base that we're going to stick our egg on. I think what we might do, darling, is quickly put this to one side because we don't want to spill any resin on it. Because that actually looks quite good, doesn't it?
It does.
For the age. I did notice we do have a bit of a scratch on it.
Oh.
I think Jake might have done that.
Yeah.
Bugger. That's all right. I'll be able to get that out one day. So I think we're going to put that to one side and then we'll crack open our bag of eggs. Now, I was thinking also that, use your muscles. Come on. It's a plastic bag, mate. Oh, wow. That was strong. So I was thinking, well, you do get a lot, don't you?
You do.
Oh, they're so lovely. So I was thinking that maybe instead of just pulling all the foil off, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm curious to know how the foil will go with the heat.
Yep.
We maybe just trim like down here.
Okay.
And we take all the top off and then we rip the top of the chocolate off.
Okay.
What do you think?
What are we going to cut the top of the chocolate off with?
Well, I can get, I've got over here, darling. I've got a knife that you could probably trim the foil off.
Okay.
We'll do that first and then we'll have a look, see what the chocolate looks like. Or you're going to do a bit of a peel.
Well, I'm thinking maybe we need scissors, not a knife.
Oh, you want scissors?
Yeah, I think scissors. Okay,
you go grab some scissors. Oh, they're in there.
They're in here.
Here's some I prepared earlier. Now,
are you going to eat that?
No. What do you mean? Oh my goodness. Well, they're not as creamy as I remember.
A bit stiffer?
It is a bit stiffer, yeah. That's one word for it. What do you think about that?
I think that's pretty good.
What's with the little slit on top here?
That's where they join them together. They've obviously missed a bit of chocolate there.
Okay. Now, you said you want to cut the top off.
Yes.
What are we thinking? That knife or?
No, I think we need a knife. And how about we heat it up so it's hot?
Oh, you want a hot knife?
Yeah, because won't that slice through chocolate easily?
I guess so. I guess so. Let me grab you a knife. Here's your knife, darling.
That's not a knife.
Ball? That's a knife.
That's a paring knife.
It's not a spoon. What do you want? A big Bowie knife or something?
Yeah.
And I'm going to heat it up. Look what I got here.
Yes.
What do you reckon? Are you prepared for this?
Ooh, as prepared as I'm going to be.
All right. I'm going to light it up. We're going to heat up your knife.
Oh, she's getting hot.
Oh, wow. There we go. Okay, let me turn this off quickly. All right, darling, show us how it's done.
All right, about here?
Yeah, that looks good.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. You didn't tell me we were going to get a smoke show.
Oh my goodness.
That was cool. Oh, can you smell it?
I can smell burnt chocolate.
Burnt chocolate.
There we go. Look at that.
Now,
should we wipe some of that burnt stuff off?
this is what I was thinking. Have you just compromised our experiment?
Oh, I hope not.
Should we scrape some of the burntness off?
I think we should, yeah. No, it's gone hard.
Oh, no. Can we scrape it off?
We might be able to... Oh, wonder if I could do it with this.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
That's working. At least that one's got a bit of yellow in it. The one I took a bite of. Oh, unless the yellow's still hiding down there.
Probably still hiding in there.
Wow. I really hope we get a good pot cam here. We are
so.
basically hoping to see some melted chocolate. We're hoping to see this creamy filling come out of the top like a lava,
Yes.
like a volcano.
Yes.
What do you reckon? Do you think that's even possible?
Oh, I think so.
Okay, so now the next thing we have to do, we've got our cup here. We mentioned we already poured a base. We are going to mix up some 5-minute epoxy and we are going to glue that down in there. So a bit on the bottom. I think what we might do is really let this set up. What was the one we did the other day where we kind of rushed it? Do you remember?
Good question.
I can't remember what it was now. You'll have to let us know, guys. It was probably only last week or the week before.
Probably was, yeah.
Okay, so we are going to leave that now in the center for about 5 minutes.
Yep.
Then we'll come back, put our resin in. You guys know the deal. We get to watch it on pot cam. Okay, the egg is now pretty firm. We're mixing up our resin. Art cast, mixed it 3-to-1. I also polished off the rest of my egg.
You did.
And it was yellow in the inside. Well, I couldn't have it go to waste, right?
Oh, no, never.
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 All right, so we are going to mix up our resin, get it over the top here. It's going to get nice and hot. Like, what are we hoping for here?
Do you think... I'm hoping that it's all going to start oozing out the top.
Do you think it's going to burn, like when you put the knife through it?
Yeah.
That'd be
That's a possibility
interesting.
as well.
Hey,
yeah.
Do you think maybe the, because that's like sugar in there, isn't it, really? Like a
like
dense...
a marshmallowy type goo?
Well, we saw what it did to Powerade and we saw what it did to Pop Rocks.
True, true.
Is it going to turn black?
Yeah, ooh.
That's what is going to happen?
We'll
Who knows?
have to wait and see, hey?
I actually turned the egg a little bit forward so we can have this side facing pot cam.
Yes.
Just in case we do get a bit of spill over the front.
Yeah, we want to give them the best view that we can give them.
Yeah, we want to be able to see it. Hey, now I've got some glitter here.
Yep.
So we can see it dance as well. Pop some of that in there for you. Let's pour it in.
Okay, do you want it poured on top of it or do you want it beside it? Because I don't know if I pour on top...
You might move it.
I might move it.
Yeah, let's go beside it. Let's see what happens. You watch this egg get magnified once the resin goes in. I'm assuming we probably trap some air around that foil too.
Oh, yes.
Here we go. We're getting bigger. This is all you need to grow your chocolate.
A bit of resin?
Bit of resin. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I can't wait to see what happens.
I always get scared when I'm pouring it in because it's magnifying. I feel like it's starting to float up, but it's actually not moving.
It does give that illusion, doesn't it?
It does.
Well, luckily for us, it's staying put.
It is,
now,
definitely.
I'm thinking, you guys have seen the last few episodes, we've pulled the things out of the pot early, right? But this time, I want the max heat. Because when we pull them out, they're still warm.
They're still warm, yeah.
So what we're going to do, we are going to leave this till tomorrow.
Yes.
And then hopefully that gives us the max melting capability.
Yep.
All right, we are ready, darling. Let's pop it in there and then we get to watch it on pot cam. So it is now the next day. What do we have in our pot? Did you guys get a good pot cam?
Is it a sloppy mess?
Maybe. I was a little worried last night going to sleep that it may just end up looking like our 12-month-old egg.
Oh, I don't think anything can look like that ever again.
Well, see how this is kind of on the angle, and that's how we kind of glued our Cadbury cream egg in. And see how nothing flowed out of that?
Yeah. We'll have to wait and see.
What's inside? You know how we find out?
Open it up.
Let's take the lid off. I really hope they got some action.
I hope so too.
I guess worst case, they got a show from the dancing glitter.
Dancing glitter, yeah.
Let's hope, hey? Well, I guess let's not hope that's all they saw.
No, I hope they saw something else.
Big volcano explosion. Let's have a look. What do we have? Oh, it burned.
Oh.
It definitely burnt. Oh, we did get it. Oh, yes. Look on the side.
Oh, it started to dribble.
It cracked. It cracked and we did get some on. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. So did the foil shrink maybe?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
You know what? That looks like the top of I can't even speak. I'm that excited.
Top of a volcano.
It does.
With the lava oozing out.
All charred on the top there.
Yep.
Oh, check it out. Let's see. Can we get that out of there, darling?
Oh, probably not. Probably going to have to cut this off, you know.
Oh, you reckon? Too much heat?
Too much heat.
Oh.
Maybe not.
There you go. We got it. Oh, look from underneath. Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
So that's the yolky, sugary part, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I hope you guys saw that on pot can come out the side there.
Yeah, hopefully.
But look at the charring on there. Wow.
I thought we would have got more melted chocolate than that.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah.
Since we did leave it in?
Yeah.
Wow. It very much does look like our chocolate table, though. Hey, how it sort of stayed.
Yeah.
And it looks like our 12-month-old egg. You put them side by side, you barely even know.
Exactly.
Till you cut it open.
Yeah. That's not going to smell as bad as that, though.
I don't know. I must admit, when you put that hot knife through it yesterday, you stunk the whole room out. It was bad,
Yeah, it was bad.
The burnt chocolate.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, what do you think? It looks more like a real egg now, if I'm going to be honest.
It does, yeah.
Wow, and we did get a little oozing on the side. So we kind of got a half win. What do you think?
Half win.
All right, we're taking it. Let's wrap it up. Well, we haven't watched Pot Cam yet, but we are hoping you guys did get some action out of that.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this episode, let us know by hitting the thumbs up, but please only do it if you feel this video deserves it. I had heaps of fun with this one because I got to eat Cadbury cream eggs.
Yeah, of course you did.
Happy Easter if you're watching this when we upload it. It's a fun time of year. You get to eat chocolate, have time off, sit in front of the TV, and watch as many movies as you want. I said so.
Yeah.
All right,
Go
guys.
watch Hop.
Hop?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's an Easter movie.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Nah, go watch Incredible Hulk. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.
See ya.